Hi, good evening, friends. Welcome to Art of Trading. I'm Kumar here. I'm uploading this video. These are the high potential breakout and breakdown stocks for this coming week. So it has an high potential breakout or breakdown, which may move either way. So trade accordingly, according to the confirmations, price action confirmations, according to the dynamic supports and resistance levels. I have the created this small video now. So on that basis, I'm just uploading these stocks. So the first stock over here is Bajaj Auto. As you can see here is Bajaj Auto is nicely trading in a short small range over here. So and at the end of the candle it has formed a bullish entry. So we have to keep a very important thing before trading these stocks is we have to keep the overall market movement, then only we have to enter these stocks. Okay, so if the market is bullish tomorrow, so we can expect that you can buy Bajaj Auto above 3025, target up to 3045 and up to 3060. This is not 6060, this is 3060. And the same way, if the market is down or the Bajaj Auto, if it breaks this channel, and you can short Bajaj Auto below 3000 for the target up to 2950. Okay, and the next stock is Bajaj Finserv. As you can see here, Bajaj Finserv also it's trading in a bullish flag pattern form. So tomorrow, if the market is positive, you can buy above 6115, target up to 6154. And the same way, if Bajaj Finance Finserv breaks this trend line as well as this small rectangular channel, you can short Bajaj Finserv below 6050 up to a target of 6000. Okay, so and the next stock is Hero MotoCo. As you can see, as Hero Moto Company also is trading in form of a range, and it's also in the stock is in the uptrend. So wait for the stock to break above this channel, that is above 3180, and if it sustains the 3180, you can buy for a target up to 3250. Okay, the same way, if the Hero MotoCorp breaks this channel and this horizontal support, that is below 3130, you can short Hero Moto Company for a target of up to 2980. Okay, and the final stock is PVR also it's nicely trending in the uptrend. The stock is in the uptrend, and if the market tomorrow is also up, then you can buy PVR above 1305, target up to 1383. Okay, up to here, up to this channel end. And the same way, if it breaks below 1260, the target would be up to 1230. Okay, so before trading these stocks, please keep one is the market direction. Okay, and the price action confirmation, the patterns on the particular point from where I've given the buy or the sell levels. Okay, so please do consider all this, and with proper risk to reward, you please enter this. Okay, so hope this few stocks will be helpful, and friends who are just want to just see this calls and learn from this, they can also do that, because I've drawn this trend lines as well as support and resistance, and you can just observe how exactly the stock behaves on those levels. Okay, okay, that's it, guys. For tomorrow, I will catch you with the Nifty key level as usual. Okay, have a great day, and coming have a great weekday also in trading. Okay, thank you, guys. Bye.